Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my version of Hardee's Mushroom and Swiss mushroom sauce. It's very simple, you don't need a lot of ingredients. I got cream of mushroom soup, little beef gravy, and a can of mushrooms. Okay, so we have a small pan here. We're going to go ahead and add the entire can of cream of mushroom. And I went ahead and drained the mushrooms. We're going to throw those in, mix everything up, and I have the heat set to a little over medium. Very, very simple. You don't need a ton of ingredients. Get that beef gravy opened up. Now when it comes to the beef gravy, you're just adding it to taste. So you can add the whole can if you like. You can add a little bit. It's completely up to you. You're going to have to play around with it a little bit to figure out exactly where you want it. Now for mine, personally, I like to add about half of the can of beef gravy. Get it mixed in really well. Now we're going to raise the heat on this a little bit to get it to a light boil. Then we're going to bring the heat down and let it simmer for about 5, 6, 7 minutes. And we should be ready to go. Alright guys, and the mushroom sauce is ready to go. You can see some nice mushroom chunks there. It's going to work really well with the flavor of the beef gravy. Everything's going to mix together really well. And it is ready to be put on top of a burger with some Swiss cheese. It's going to be delicious. Super easy, guys. Don't need a lot of ingredients. Not needed. And this is good stuff. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Please take a second, like the video, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a good day.